We're trying to escape a shark. Half of my boat's not loading in.
Hello, gamers!
Shut the hell up, dumb fuck. Oh my god! Oh my god, there's a baby duck! It's a baby duck floating! I feel so bad for it. I think it's my child.
Hey, yo, what was that ripping sound? You hear that, guys?
Oh!
Stop. I have never been to this party in years.
Oh my god!
Stop.
What is that?
Hey, what the hell is that? Swirly pig? Get... I'm gonna die. I'm so mean.
Yeah, well, no.
How come my beautiful pictures aren't up here? Like, all this is crap.
You're ugly.
Like, this is garbage.
Shelby, you're ugly.
Like, what is that? What is that? What is that?
Where's the net?
Why does it have 128,580 people who liked it? I don't understand why all the famous people. See?
Oh my god. Bro. Wait, let me see that picture again.
Like, why can't my art? Oh. Yeah, okay.
The other lion one.
This one?
The good one, yeah. And then the likes.
That's a lot of fucking likes. Jesus. I know. And the most liked one. And I'm trying to get like 1,000 on here. It's only 391.
Do you ever got to trade?
No. I traded a black short for it. And it
Bro, I literally saw some, like, you know, like one of the, like, famous people
Nobody
on
else.
Jam. That picture's been a while. That's an old picture.
So many freaking things on it. Oh, everyone's gone. Like, why am I even playing this again? Excuse me, you're sus. Hey, yo, who's this bitch? Come back, Tetris. Is his name Tetris? Tetris? I can't read because it's so. I will smoke you.
Travis?
Here, what if I just do this? That's like. Wait, we do that, boy.
That's so mean.
I'm so mean. Hey, yo, Sophie, that's sus. That one's a good picture, though. Better than I can draw. Sad bros. Sad broski. Who's even says that? Hey, yo, Sophia. Sophia.
Oh my god! No! The shark is gonna get me!
Shut up.
Okay, the music stopped.
Sophia. Oh my god.
He's right there! Oh no! My butt! I died!
This is wasted, bro.
The unicorn shark got me.
These are all stuffed animals.
Scared me!
These are plushies.
Let's see what the sign reads.
What is that? It's an ugly.
The sign says, support the development of Leave a Like.
Oh, yo, that thing is cool, bro.
More updates.
That's cool.
If you like this video, you get more updates on your favorite game. Oh my god.
If you subscribe, I'll give
Why
you...
is there so many blocks of fucking gold in his house?
If you subscribe, I'll give you my headdress. Totally totally real, guys.
Oh my god. You know on TikTok there's a story, and you know like the 3-minute video of that now.
3-minute crafts.
1 month crafts.
5-minute crafts, more like 1 fucking year craft.
Let's see from the shark, guys. Baby Yoda! Baby Yoda girl! Baby Yoda girl 19!
Shout out to Baby Yoda Girl _19. Go fuck yourself.